This might be the first video on YouTube where I will show you how to build a complete website using AI in just a few minutes. And the best part, it's completely free. You can even access and download the full source code without paying anything. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more powerful AI videos. Alright, let's get started. If you go on Fiverr right now and check website development gigs, you will see people charging hundreds of dollars just to build a website. Literally, look at this. Some are charging $100, some are charging $250, and that's just for one single website. And trust me, clients are actually paying these prices every single day. Now, if we jump over to Upwork, it's even crazier. Here, people are charging $30 to $40 per hour just to build a single website. Yes, per hour, not per project. Alright, first step. I asked ChatGPT for some website ideas. Now, in real freelance work, your client will tell you what they want. But for this demo, I'm just showing you the process. I gave ChatGPT a simple request, and boom, look at this list. So many creative, unique, viral-style website ideas. All of these can be turned into real projects and real income. From these ideas, I could choose anyone, but suddenly I got my own idea. I want to create a modern grocery store website using AI. So I typed in, I want to create a grocery store website. Give me the perfect prompt for AI website generation. And ChatGPT created a complete professional prompt for me, all formatted beautifully with proper details. Now we take this prompt, just copy it. That's literally all we need to build the site. Next step, let's move over to Google. Search Google Stitch. Click the first link. This is Google's brand new AI website builder that can build full websites and even apps just from a prompt. And yes, it's totally free to use right now, which is insane when you think about the value it provides. Once you're on the site, simply choose website, paste the exact prompt we copied, and click next. That's it. We don't need to write any code, we don't need to design anything. AI starts working instantly. Just sit back and give it a few seconds. And look at this. Seriously, look at this. The website is already built. The design is clean, modern. Now, if you look at the top, you'll see a few options. If you click the three dots menu, you can actually view the entire source code. And yes, you can edit this code if you want to make your own modifications. But for now, I'm keeping it simple. I'm just going to download this entire project so we can see the files. Let's extract the folder. Open it. Inside, you'll see a folder named Code. Open the file and boom, here's the full structure. And honestly guys, I'm impressed. If I tried to build this manually, it would take me days, maybe even weeks. But here, AI did everything in just a few minutes. Hover animations? Done. Icons, images, layout, text spacing, everything already there. Even tiny micro details are polished. And just look at the footer. It looks like a real premium theme. Now let's test responsiveness. Right-click, open Inspect, and switch to Mobile View. And look at that, 100% responsive. Everything aligned perfectly. On mobile, it looks clean and professional, like a template you'd pay for. But we're not done. We need more pages. So let's generate the About page. I simply type, create an About page with the same theme and design. Click Next and wait a moment. And again, it's ready. Download the files and check them. And wow, the design matches perfectly. Same branding, same styling, same premium visuals. This looks like a website from a professional agency. If you're enjoying this and learning something new, make sure to like the video and tell me which city you're watching from. Your support motivates me to share more powerful tricks with you guys. Alright, one more example just for fun. Let's push this further and generate a social media style website. I'll enter, create a website similar to Instagram and YouTube. And again, run the prompt. Wait a moment, and boom, it's ready. And look at this. It literally created a working layout similar to Instagram. Feed structure, profile layout, UI components, everything is there, just from a prompt. And if we want, we can improve and customize all these things further just by giving more prompts. So what did we learn today? AI isn't the future, it's happening right now. You can build real websites in minutes, offer services on Fiverr and Upwork. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more AI money-making tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.